Hey guys, how are you doing? And today I'm making a video on how to use OBS Studio for beginners. So let's start the video. Once you'll open your OBS Studio, you will see a black screen right over here. So go to your sources box, click on add and click on display capture if you want to record your desktop and game as well. Add display capture, click on display capture and name it whatever you want, then click on OK. You can change the display settings from over here, then click on OK. If you want to remove one of the source, select that source, right click and then remove it. It will confirm the remove. Click yes. Now if you only want to record your game, in that case click on add, then click on game capture, name it whatever you want, then click on OK. You can only capture a full screen application or capture a specific window. Some games are not recognized by the OBS Studio, so in that case you will select the capture specific window mode and select the window, then click on OK. The game capture will be added. Now right next to the sources box there's a scene box. It's kind of advanced, so we are not going to talk about it. There's an audio mixer as well. In that we can find desktop audio and mic audio. You can change it from the setting. Right next to the audio mixer there's a scene transition. It's kind of advanced as well, so we'll skip it. And right next to the scene transitions there are controls. If you want to start live streaming, then click on start streaming. If you want to start recording, click on start recording. But at the moment I'm recording, so it says stop recording. There is a studio mode, but it is kind of advanced, so we will leave it. There is setting as well. In this setting you can change the audio, your video graphics, streaming, general, whatever you want. Now once you have recorded your video, click on stop recording and then your file will be saved here. Let me show you. Click on file, then click on show recording and your recording will be saved right over here. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Hope you like this video. I'll be uploading videos related to this content, so subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.